When you walk on carpet, sit on sofa, or sleep relaxingly in bed, are you aware that you are surrounded by a vast amount of bacteria and dust mites? Although we can't see them, we can feel their existence. We spend 1/3 of our life in bed, and there are up to 2 million of dust mites in your mattress. The fecal particles and even dead bodies of dust mites induce allergies with symptoms like sneezing, runny nose, red or watery eyes, itchy skin and asthma. The most effective way to eliminate these notorious bugs is by UVC light. UV sterilization vacuum cleaner is proven to eliminate 100% of dust mites within 5 minutes. Not only can it eliminate dust mites, Magic UV Sterilization Vacuum Cleaner passed a number of laboratory tests that proves to eliminate 99.99% of E. coli and other bacteria. The UV light technology of Magic UV is proven by KEMA for its safety. Magic UV has 3 micro-motion switch safety wheels. If you accidentally lift up the Magic UV, the UVC light will automatically stop. You will see the UV light through the small semi-transparent windows on the top head of the machine. Magic UV design allows you to simply click once to remove the filter for cleansing or disposal. Furthermore, Magic UV is equipped with a HEPA filter to provide cleaner exhausted air. The HEPA filter can easily be cleaned with cold water and it is reusable. In addition, the patented and unique design of the integrated telescopic tube that is 180 degrees rotatable gives you flexibility and convenience for use. The cord rewinder equipment has a quick release smart function. The electricity cable can be released in just a second. Magic UV is ideal for sterilization and cleaning of mattress, pillow, blanket, sofa, curtain and carpet. It's dedicated to families with pets at home. They can clean pets' hair and bacteria on sofas. Magic UV cleans and sterilizes your home and gives you a comfortable and safe feeling. It is safe, fast and easy to use. Passed through several tests in laboratories, UV cleans and sterilizes your home and gives you a cleaned environment.